I recently purchased this solar rechargeable battery operated fan light combination from Amazon. My intent is to mount it and use it in my outdoor gazebo. Let's start by unboxing, putting it together, then mounting it in the gazebo. In the box, we're going to find the following. We have the paperwork, we have a complimentary gift. Let's see what that is. Looks like a tripod. In fact, it is a tripod. Packing foam. Another box. Wires. Fan blades. Remote control, batteries, and hardware. And our main light and motor control with the mounting bracket already attached. More packing foam. Our quite large solar panel for recharging the battery with a generous amount of wire. What else? A mounting bracket for the solar panel. Now let's start putting it together. Assembly of the unit is quite simple. After unpacking, simply take your main motor and light combination, take one of the fan blades, and in this piece that spins, we're going to find these grooves. Simply take your fan blade, slide it in to the groove, push it in until it locks. Do that one. Click. 2, 3, 4, 5. Double check, they're all in tight and clicked. And now for your free gift. This tripod can be used quite simply as a mount for your fan. Now, according to the paperwork, we can use this fan in different ways. You can use it as a ceiling fan, which we're going to use it for. You can mount it to a wall. You can even carry it around as a light source. And this stand, this free gift, is used to mount the fan on a stand as such. This fan is also portable. You can take it with you wherever you go. Now let's try to attach this fan to our gazebo. The next step is finding a place to mount the solar panel. The roof seems like a great place. However, on this project, I think it's best to mount it right to the support column on my gazebo. Now, depending on the mounting surface that you choose, you can use the provided hardware that comes with the product, or in my case, if you are going to mount it to any kind of metal, I will be using self-tapping sheet metal screws. After locating the surface you'd like to mount the solar panel to, simply take the provided bracket, line it up where you would like it, make it level. I am using this centerpiece as a guide. You can mount this vertically or horizontally. Mark your and align where you need to. Now we'll attach the bracket. I'll simply attach. Mounting the solar panel to the bracket. Take the provided hardware, these screws, they go through the rear, the back of the panel. One on one side, one on the other side. Take the two locking washers and the two wing nuts, and let's mount the solar panel to the bracket. So if we're going to attach this horizontally, it's best to put a finger inside the mounting nut as to not lose it. We will put it in the opening, lock washer, and we'll secure it with a provided wing nut. No need to tighten it quite yet. Before tightening it completely, just angle the solar panel in the direct sunlight. Now let's mount the fan inside the gazebo. To mount this fan light combination in the gazebo, simply loosen these nuts on the side until the support is straight up. The mounting bracket is straight up. Now this product comes with everything. There's a small mounting hook that comes with it. Looks like a hanger. You simply put that in here like so. Now we can hang it in the gazebo. So let's go ahead and do that. So before mounting your fan in the gazebo or any other higher place, maybe in your tent, you may want to connect this wire first to the fan under this orange flap here, because once it is up, you may not be able to access it. So after pulling the orange tab back with your finger, you can see two access ports. This looks like a USB-C, the smaller one. We're going to plug that right in. Now there are two inputs. This does come with a wire to charge it through regular USB, and that would go in here. You can plug that into a power brick and charge your phone without using the solar panel. But we are going to use the solar panel for this application. Now, let's put it up. And using a proper ladder, we can go ahead, climb up. And simply put that overhead. You can see there's an indicator blinking, which means there is power going to the unit. Now let's get this wire situated and we'll go ahead and test it out. Okay, after putting in the provided AAA batteries into the remote control. Let's try it out. Let's try the light first. So there's a light on off and a fan on off. Try the light. Oh, pretty bright. You can dim it. Ooh, it gets pretty bright. Let's turn off the light. Now let's try the fan. Whoa. All right, everything works great. I can feel a breeze from here. I think this is going to work out just great. The only thing that I would probably recommend that I can see, there's a lot of torque on that motor, and that hook right up there where it mounts to the gazebo may need a little bit more securing. So I think I'm going to zip tie that just, whoa, see, it's wobbly. I just want to make sure that that is secure so it doesn't fall. After adding some wire ties for safety and securing this wire going out to the solar panel to regenerate the battery, overall I am impressed with this little unit, and I'll be looking forward this summer to sitting in the gazebo under a nice breeze. Overall, I think anybody can tackle this little project themselves. Again, the fan can be used for anything. You can mount it on that free gift they gave you. You can mount it on a wall. You can even carry it with you once it's fully charged. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.